Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to check your login activity on Snapchat in iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat application. Once I open the Snapchat app, and then I just tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Now tap the gear icon. You can see I don't have the options such as save login in for anything else right at the bottom of this, but there is still a way because it is actually hidden where you can find the login devices. First of all, look for the option called Two-Factor Authentication on your iOS Snapchat settings. Once you find Two-Factor Authentication, tap on it, then you will see Forget Devices, and then here you'll be able to see the devices where your Snapchat account is basically logged in. And these are the devices for your Snapchat might be logged in, and we'll see the last login did. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.